Hey, welcome back, Bellaras. Today, I'm going to show you how to make rose water at home using a simple distillation method. It's easy, natural, and smells absolutely divine. Let's get started. First, grab a pot and place a small heat-safe bowl in the middle. This bowl will collect the condensed rose water later. Next, add fresh or dried rose petals around the bowl. The more fragrant your rose is, the better your rose water will smell. Then, pour in enough cold water to cover the petals, but don't submerge the bowl. Here is the secret to collecting rose water. Flip the lid upside down. This creates a surface for the steam to condense and drip down into the bowl. Now place the lid on your pot and put it on medium heat. Once the water starts boiling, lower the heat to a gentle simmer. This helps the rose essence infuse into the steam. To cool the surface and encourage the condensation, add ice cubes on top of the lid. This will help the steam turn back into liquid and collect into the bowl. Keep the pot simmering on low heat for about 20 to 30 minutes, checking occasionally to replace the ice if needed. You'll see the rose water collecting in the bowl, a sign your DIY distillation is working perfectly. Once you're done, remove the bowl. Be careful, it's gonna be hot. Let the rose water cool completely before transferring it into a clean bottle or jar. And there you have it, fresh homemade rose water. This rose water is perfect as a toner, in face masks, or even as a refreshing spritz on a hot day. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more DIY tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy rose water making!